Bitcoin Cash specifically has a medium-term barrier at $119.28. Amazingly, BCH USD exchanges close $111.17, and BCH USD pair exchanges below a man. The current trading volume of Bitcoin Cash is $117,730,000. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the Bitcoin Cash price analysis for now or for the next week. We'll also try to answer some of the most common questions that people have about Bitcoin Cash. What entirely is in a general sense truly flitting cost hypothesis for Bitcoin money generally is BCH and basically genuinely savvy income in a really critical way Bitcoin money support in resistance mission levels, etc. In any case preceding diving truly significant into the BCH particular examination for the most part driven us from a genuine perspective examine the continuous monetary conditions which unequivocally is truly fundamental which basically is exasperating. Market analysis over the absurdly most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the overall cryptographic currency market to $1,136,850,397,543. Contrary to conventional wisdom, or so they believed, the essentially fixed trading volume in every functional sense remains at $47,516,158,315, and Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market. While Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which is different from what most people think. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $20,756.87, which is a drop of 4.43%. This shows that Bitcoin Cash has support and resistance levels, which is crummy. XRP, a local currency, is worth about $6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents, which is a huge deal. Coco's BCX dropped 0.77% in value and went to 60 cents, which is also a huge deal. These events expressly show that the market generally is going in and quite plummeting course for essentially a specialty present second nicely basically further appearance how the sensibly overall current trading volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is at $117,733,159 in an unpretentious way, which kind of is exceptionally basic. At the present time and particularly sort of expansive entirely terrible dive can being seen all through the crypto market in a gigantic way, or so they unequivocally thought. Bitcoin money sponsorship and check moving in resistance, all things considered, unequivocally are huge specific pointers used to in each common sense genuinely separate in each pragmatic sense unquestionably key expense levels, where the example can follow an alternate way displaying how the 8th of May 2023 in this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost assessment for the present or for kind of genuinely multi-week from now and as particularly endeavor to answer these consistently generally explained something what kind of definitely is very fleeting expense assumption for Bitcoin money is BCH all around that truly matters overall wise premium in an unpretentious way, or so they in a general sense thought help from a genuine perspective is a level at which buyers kind of unequivocally become sensibly everything thought about even more really unique, and from a genuine perspective forestall the coin's cost from falling any basically genuinely further in a generally genuinely critical way in an essentially critical way comparably impediment fundamentally truly is a level at which dealers basically from a genuine perspective become move really powerful and unequivocally keep the coin as cost from moving higher positively contrary to predominant reasoning. Here are the measures of help and resistance for Bitcoin money. Bitcoin Cash's performance, on average, is as follows. The current price of Bitcoin Cash is $111.17, and $117,733,159 worth of Bitcoin Cash has been traded in the last 24 hours. Over the past 24 hours, the price of XRP, which is a type of local currency, has been around 6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents, which goes against what most people think. Right now, BCH has been around 4.98 and has a market capitalization of $2,155,118,588, which is a lot of money. Bitcoin Cash Price Research BCH Price. The chart below shows how the BCH USD exchanges close to $111.17 on May 8, 2023. This is a big number, and it's important that we use the Relative Strength Index. Moving fundamentally normal to essentially examine the future development of the Bitcoin Cash, which most certainly shows that Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner in a significant way, while BCH's Williams % R marker most certainly in a real sense is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition exchange pretty truly signal. In a real sense, truly is pretty commonly conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. The by and large relative strength file shows that the BCH coin entirely is an oversold stage, as RSI basically is at 25, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 46.94 of the end entry market, while Ethereum certainly generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which basically essentially is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. The principal support level for Bitcoin Cash truly generally is at 103.42, while the truly second one fundamentally basically is at 97.18, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping fundamentally commonly profound into the BCH specialized examination, actually for the most part let us by and large basically discuss the essentially current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical, which sort of is genuinely huge. While taking about opposition, the BCH basically explicitly has R1 and R2 at 114.47, 119.28 separately, so Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so forth, which entirely is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the US. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the US are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest US retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has